Now, most of the work you're going to do today is either going to have you do this, where x-axis is the line of reflection, or the y-axis, like this one. But in a future class, you may take it further, so I thought you might want to see this, where what we're going to do here is I'm going to once again reflect a triangle. I'm just picking a triangle because it's the easiest shape we can work with right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the line y equals -2 my line of reflection. In other words, if I go down 2 on the y-axis and I draw a line, well, then the reflection acts differently. So I'm not using the x-axis, so like for B here, B is one space away from the x-axis, but we're not paying attention to the x-axis because that's not our line of reflection. Our line of reflection is down here. So it's 1, 2, 3 spaces away from this point in our line of reflection. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 spaces the other direction, and that's B prime. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces away. So down here I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces here. And then C is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces away, so I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces this way. And so it's still the same thing. But just realize that what you're going to do in your work today versus what you're going to do in the future is that the line of reflection can be anywhere. In fact, you may get problems where the line of reflection is at a diagonal. Maybe this is our line of reflection, in which case you might have to reflect it something like this. Now, luckily, we don't have to get into this at this point, but we just so you know, I wanted you to realize that not everything is going to be like the work that we do, that we are going to take these ideas next year and expand on them and take them further. But for now, mainly, if you can do this example, where I take an image and reflect it through the x-axis, or if I take an image like this and reflect it through the y-axis, you should be in good shape in terms of understanding this concept of reflection and lines of reflection.